fucking shit's getting close. It's fucking nuts. Woo! Ah, there's like dust blowing in my eyes. Oh, this rain. Fucking crazy lightning storm. This is awesome. Fucking so crazy. Yes! Oh my god! This is getting fucking out of hand. I've never been so excited. I love it. Now there's like a fine mist starting to come down. I think it's going to start to rain super hard. Oh my god! Oh my god, this is fucking sort of scary. Yeah, no, I've been recording it the whole time. Yeah, I got it all on video. Just when it started striking and had to go outside, I was like, okay. My next door neighbor saw one, I was like, okay, I'm going to get my camera. Really?
So close.
Yeah, I mean, whoa. Yeah, you can tell it's like, there's like fine drops coming too. Like, the thunderhead must be huge. So.
Yeah, and I don't know when it's going to hit us. It's crazy. The drone was like,
really?
Thing.
Yeah, this is the outer bands of the hurricane that just sort of broke down. It's now tropical depression deal or whatever.
Okay. I can do it.
So crazy. Alright, see you later. Yeah, no man, I've been getting it on video. It's been like cracking like right here. Yeah. So whatever this thing is, it has to be that hurricane. You know, because it sort of came out of the blue. I was watching satellite imagery, like it all of a sudden started erupting, like on the mountain range, coming down.